it's pretty fitting to visit Buddha's birthplace with Buddha air. It's only 30 degrees here, so water relief to Lumbini. That was actually extremely hot there. They frequently had temperatures about 40 degrees, and the feel with the humidity was actually more than 40. And here is my $20 hotel room. Has an AC, has a TV which I don't care about and never watch. I just need a bed where I can sleep comfortably, and that's about it. As an added bonus, I have this balcony that I used to look at the window at the mountains and spy on the neighbors. It's pretty neat. And here on the top almost of the mountain, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is a so-called Peace Pagoda where I went yesterday. Kind of semi-interesting, just a pagoda, nothing special. And here is the bathroom. And for me it's perfect, no complaints. That's all I need, a shower, toilet and a sink. Do you see what I see? No, in the middle of the screen. So let me zoom in. Do you see now the majestic mountain sticking out of the clouds, getting closer? It's not just some snow-capped hill. Yeah, this is my $1 million view from a $20 hotel room. This is Machhapuchhre. Its highest peak has never been officially climbed due to the impossibility of gaining a permit from the government of Nepal. It is 6,992 meters high, and can you guess the distance? The peak is actually about 25 kilometers, 16 miles from here. Its double summit resembles the tail of a fish, hence the name, meaning fishtail in Nepalese. It is also nicknamed the Matterhorn of Nepal. It is a sacred peak for the people living in the area, and the mountain is said to be sacred as a home to the god Shiva. It is believed that Machhapuchhre has never been climbed to its summit. The only confirmed attempt was in 1957 by a British team who climbed to within 150 meters of the summit to an approximate altitude of 6,947 meters. And since they gave the word of honor to then King Mahendra, the team descended without stepping on to the summit. No permits to climb the mountain have been issued ever since. Spying on my neighbors. I am ashamed to say that, but that's exactly what I am doing. Spying on my neighbor from the 5th floor balcony in my hotel in Pokhara. And you can see the lady down there, my neighbor, is picking up some greens for dinner, some green leaves. How do I know? Because there is a basket behind her, and she is putting whatever she collects into that basket. Okay, and let's spy on the couple over there, coming to exercise. If you wanna see like local people live, just look here, our neighbors. That's a local dwelling, not very luxurious, I can tell you that. And actually over there you see the blue tarp. That is a house where locals live. I saw them in the morning doing some laundry or cleaning something, and you can see it's built from blocks, some corrugated iron. That's the roof, and some blocks, building blocks on the roof to keep it from flying away during strong winds. That's about it. And across the street, I'll zoom in a little bit. That's another dwelling where local people live. So foreigners who come here stay in the kind of multi-storied hotels, and the locals live down by the ground. It is a laundry day in Pokhara today. Anyone else doing laundry? Oh, yes. Here too. And over there and over there. Oh, silly me. I just realized why it is a laundry day today. Because we got a break in weather. No more rain. Sometimes brain doesn't work much, as you have just witnessed. Took me a while to figure out why today is the laundry day in Pokhara, Nepal. But all's good, I figured it out. So I think this will be it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Take care. Goodbye.